Number 1. The total audit. Spend 30 minutes inventorying every inch of your wreckage. Open the bank app. List every debt in red ink. Step on the scale. Measure your waste. Audit relationships, habits, skills. Write it raw. No sugarcoating, no victim stories. You can't fix what you won't face. This is ground zero. Truth burns, but lies kill. Number 2. The digital purge. Your phone is a Las Vegas casino engineered to steal your time, attention, and soul. Delete 50 apps that hijack your dopamine. Unfollow 200 accounts that breed envy or weakness. Nuke browser history. Slaughter all notifications. Lock the phone in a drawer for 24 full hours. Digital minimalism or digital slavery. Pick your chains. Freedom tastes like boredom at first. Number 3. The body reboot. Hit the streets for a 60-minute fasted walk in direct sunlight. Eyes unprotected, circadian clock hammered. Follow with a brutal 3-minute cold shower. Full blast. Grind out 100 bodyweight reps. Squats till quads scream. Push-ups to failure. Planks unbreaking. This cocktail spikes dopamine, testosterone, growth hormones sky high. Your body was a corpse. Revive it violently. Pain is progress. Number 4. The kill list. Grab the whiteboard. Headline, what dies today? List 10. Energy vampires, bad subscriptions, lazy habits, dead weight people. Cancel now, make the calls, sign up for the gym, block the X, shred the lease if needed. Viciously protect your energy like a fortress under siege. Mercy to drains is suicide. Burn the list. Old life cremated. Number 5. The nutrition lock. Raid your kitchen like a SWAT team. Every sugar packet, seed oil bottle, processed abomination into the trash. Grocery haul, ribeyes, eggs, broccoli, olive oil. Primal fuel only. Cook clean. Sear the steak, steam the greens. Slam 30 grams protein per meal, 0 carbs today. Blood sugar locked stable. Garbage in equals garbage out. Eat like the predator you are becoming. Number 6. The war room setup. Clear your desk to nuclear weapon status. Zero clutter survives. Scroll your 3 non-negotiable goals in massive letters. Earn, build, destroy. Rig 90-minute deep work sprints with a countdown timer. Exile the phone to a distant room, door bolted. This is your unbreachable fortress. Invaders executed. Enter flow. Stack wins. Forge momentum. The new empire begins here. Number 7. The tribe call. Humans conquer in packs, not solo. Speed dial your 3 sharpest allies, the ones who call out your bullshit and elevate you. Text ironclad accountability packs. Daily check-ins, no mercy. Block 5 dead weights instantly. Iron sharpens iron. Mud dulls blades. Drive to seal it in person. Handshake or high five. Lone wolves starve. Packs rule empires. Number 8. The Mind Forge. Drop into 20 minutes of meditation. Vivid montage of tomorrow's total domination. Rip open the journal. Weaknesses exposed. Kill plans deployed. Roar affirmations at the mirror till veins pop. I am disciplined. I am dangerous. I deliver under fire. Strike the stoic emperor pose. Chest out, unbreakable. Neural pathways rewiring live. Fear, just smoke in the wind. Identity upgraded. Number 9. The Night Seal. Transform your bedroom into a sensory deprivation tank. Blackout curtains sealed, eye mask strapped, thermostat locked at 65 degrees Fahrenheit. Screens die at 8 p.m. sharp. Grab a physical book. Scroll 10 brutal wins from today's war. Apply mouth tape. Master nasal breathing. Chest rises slow and deep. Sleep isn't downtime, it's weapon recharge. Tomorrow's predator forges tonight. Write down your 10th one for the good of the viewers.